Okay, so here I am working some more on the sax valve movement. And the way this thing works is, of course, the motor's right here. It's got two shafts on each side that turns these connecting shafts. And then this, is, of course, is the cam. And as you can see, it has three fingers. So when it hits the sax valve, it goes dit, 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 which is exactly what the valve movement is. These are supports with, this is a bushing on this side and a bushing on that side that fit in these holes. And if you picture this in this orientation, that sits inside of his head. The problem with Ian's files is he's got some ribs in the way. So you have to cut the ribs out to get this to set right, which I haven't done yet. PLA does not drill very great at certain speeds. It starts to melt. So I'm going to do this like I would if I was chiseling wood out. So I'm going to score the ribs in multiple places, and then cut into it with the Dremel and just form little holes, and then break each piece off, and then go in with a disc and clean up the inside of it, because it's got to sit, these holes sit where the sax valve holes are. So the orientation is not like this, but it's like this. But this is the only way I could show you without having it in the head. And right now it will fit in the head. All right, so we turn it on, and you can see how it rotates. Each one of those then would hit, if you could picture right here, there'd be a sax valve coming through, and you can see how it would go. Dip, 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 dip. This is the perfect speed, I think. I think this is a 1/120, pretty much, and I'm pretty pleased with the way everything's coming out on this. The hardest part is going to be cleaning up those ribs, getting them out and cleaning them up, because this has to be almost completely flat on the inside of his head. It could be a little bit protruding, but I'm going to try to make it as flat as I can. And then, of course, it all then just glues into place with Sino glue. Okay, so just thought I'd show you guys. I'm still working on it. Today I'm going to cut the ribs out. I might be able to test this weekend. If not, for sure it'll be next weekend. All right, end of video. Happy printing.